Alright, so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to replace this tail light, and you can see it's broken here. It probably won't pass inspection. This is a Nissan NV2500 high top. So it looks like it's just 3 bolts that need to be unfastened here. 10mm socket. Okay, on the inside, looks like we just have this little connection to disconnect. Let's push it in. Disconnected. And on the outside, we just got to take off this rubber stopper here. I'm just using some pliers. That's it, disconnected. Now you just got to reconnect this here, feed it through the hole. All right, now I'm just going to tighten up these bolts, and that's it. Well, that does it. I hope this helps.